Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create a group chat on a TikTok. Okay, let's get started. First thing first, we can open our TikTok application, and after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our TikTok inbox, click on this inbox section, and here we're going to click on this plus bench on the top left, and here you can select some accounts you would like to add to your group chat, and I'm going to add this account to my group chat, for example, and this one as well. Then we just need to click on start group chat. Okay, and now the group chat has been created, and you can change the group chat's name right here by tapping on change name, or you can add more members by tapping on this add members. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a group chat on TikTok application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.